Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome to our next Durham drive-through tutorial video, a handy guide to assist you in picturing in your mind some of the busier junctions that may, from time to time, be covered on your practical driving test in the Durham city area. Remember, these videos are for illustration only, and you should continue to discuss and practice with your driving instructor. Once you have left the roundabout at the land registry, we proceed down the hill towards the county hall. There, we are going to turn right third exit. As the road widens, the sign on the right-hand side tells us that we are able to turn right, A691, in either lane. Remember, given the choice, left is best. The county hall roundabout is usually a very busy junction. As there are 2 lanes into this roundabout, and 2 lanes leaving, following the road sign directions provided by this additional sign will help you negotiate the junction in a safer, more controlled manner. When a safe gap appears, make progress onto the roundabout, maintaining the left lane position, but continuing to indicate right until you pass alongside the second exit. At that point, look left, indicate left, and exit the junction. Make progress towards Durham city centre. Very soon, the road markings tell you that the traffic in the right lane will be merging into the left lane, so be aware and be prepared to allow vehicles in front of you on the right safe passage to move into the left lane before the right lane ceases. This will help maintain the flow of traffic. Continuing down the bank, we are going to turn left at the next roundabout, following the A690 towards Sunderland. Once we have turned left at the first exit, we are going to prepare to turn right at the next roundabout. As we turn left, we emerge onto Framwellgate Bridge, where the lanes are quite thin. Beware of cars in the right lane as you'll prepare to move into the right lane. It is essential that you check your centre, then right mirror, with a final check of your right blind spot before moving over to the right lane, but only if it is safe to do so. At the approaching junction, we are going to turn right, second exit, following the A177 towards Coxhoe. As the road widens into 3 lanes, aim for the right lane. Make progress, and as we turn right, spiral into the left lane in order to leave at the correct exit. Making progress, we cross the new Elvet Bridge. Crossing the bridge, the road markings give us the choice to turn left after the bridge, or go straight on. We are going straight on, so move to the right, as marked on the road. There are lots of pedestrians in this area, so be extra vigilant as many are students or tourists, and may be unsure where they are going. At the traffic lights, we are going to turn right, continuing to follow the A177. As the lane splits into two, stay to the right. Here, where we turn right into Church Street, the gap between the buildings is very thin. A box junction has been marked here, so do not enter into it unless your exit is clear. Remember, the markings are there for a reason. At the upcoming Crossroads, we are going to turn right into Quarry Heads Lane. Here, the traffic turning right must move into the crossroads, when safe to do so, then into the right filter lane, in anticipation of the safe opportunity to make progress. Remember, don't make progress until it is safe to do so, and if you have crossed the stop line, you must clear the junction. Still be aware of any traffic coming towards you before committing to turn right. Make progress along Quarry Heads Lane. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please like and subscribe to receive our latest issues.